How you doing today?
Good, good. Always good to get over here.
Uh-huh, yes sir it is.
They're running over the coaster.
Alright. You can head up.
Okay. Good morning.
Which color do you want to go?
Yes, I guess the middle pink. Woo. Woo. Oh. Oh. That's fun. Can I go again or?
Yeah, you can head up again if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just while I'm here.
Blue one's the fastest one.
Okay, yeah, let me try the blue one. Why is it faster?
So whenever we set this up, we go down on wax paper, make sure it's slick, and the blue one just got the best wax paper today.
Ah, okay. Whew. 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 Ah, there we go. I see. Okay, thank you.
Yes sir, you're welcome.